No.
What?
What just made that sound? Oh my god.
So was it the sound or was it painful?
I don't know.
Why are you shouting so loud? Damn. Relax. See? What's the shout up and down?
See, it looks like you pour hot water on my body like this. My way just burn. I'm trying to be woman king. I'm crying out.
After that first one, woman king in the morning. Why are you there? Let's give God glory. See how far you
See how far you brought me.
No.
You pay for me. I really need ears. I'm hearing it, but
What?
you pay for.
What just made that sound? Oh my god.
So was it the sound or was it painful?
I don't know. I don't know the feeling.
Why are you shouting so loud? Damn. Relax.
Wait, I was not feeling pain in my neck before, so how come this place is now doing as if something is walking through the place?
Say it's walking. In the run or in the trek?
It's
It's running. Okay. I know it's running. It's in the trek. You're in trouble. Don't wait to shout. Just relax. See? What's the shout up and down? No.
See, it looks like you pour hot water on my body like this. My way just burn.
Use your nose to breathe.
My tummy.
Relax. Stand.
I'm trying to be woman king. I'm crying out.
After that first one, woman king in the morning. Stand.
I should stand. No. We're not getting to this stage now. Just one argument. Don't do it.
I don't bring weapon.
No, now.
It's not a weapon.
It's kind of
This is something that's going to be beneficial for your decompression or for the decompression of your spine. You understand? I need you to Find the will to not shout. And find the will to do what? To not jump up.
I remember the lady you told us to jump
What
up.
did she do?
Oh yeah, you don't catch me.
Don't be like whatever lady you are talking about. Are you with me?
Sir?
Are you with me? You sit here, face this way. Number 3, sit here, face this way. Wait.
Hey.
This is your crown. Crown of healing.
They say no before fall against me shall prosper. I be
I
like,
didn't say
see,
this is a weapon, I said this is your crown.
this one is looking like, see.
Child. Lie down. Don't cross your legs. You want your leg to touch the floor. Touch the ground. You go to lift up. Just relax. Remember what I said.
I should not jump up.
And don't shout.
Don't shout, Maya.
Just
Don't
breathe.
jump up. Don't shout. Don't jump up.
Relax. Leave your neck now. Just wipe your tears. Take. You don't wipe your tears.
See, my neck was not paining me before.
Where did you? This last one I did. Where did you feel it?
How? No, this place that did not enter my spinal cord. No, enter my.
Like where? To your back, I mean.
Yeah.
So what does that tell you?
It means that it's connect together.
Thank you. It's not for your neck. It's for your spine.
Jesus.
While you're there, just give God glory.
See
See how far you crossed.
See how far you brought me. I'm so glad you found me worthy.
Let me see if I can carry weight.
No. Come on, carry yourself first before you won't carry weight. All your days you do what? All your days, confess now, make we know. All your days you do what? You don't know the song, though. Eh?
I worship.
That's not what he said. All my days I will sing your praise.
I worship the Lord. I'll sing your praises.
It's not the same thing.
I can see, I can tell, and I know it's your grace all my days. I will sing.